Hi, Enrique here with Enrique's Home Buyer Channel. And today I'm going to answer a very important question that seems very simple, but you may actually need help with this. The question is, what is the best way, the easiest way to get qualified for a mortgage? Let's answer that. All right, welcome back. So I'm a mortgage broker. That means that I do mortgages for people who want to purchase a home and they don't have the money to buy cash. So I do financing, right? A mortgage is something that is attached to the house until you pay it off. So yes, you do own the house, but the bank that is financing it, has a lien on that house. That's why mortgages are so important. It's important you have the right mortgage. People ask me all the time, how do I get started? Well, the first step is really to find the right person to help you out. And how do you do that? There's a lot of controversy about who is the best person that is going to help you purchase a home and finance it. A lot of people are going to start with their bank. As the first thought is, oh, well, I bank at this institution. I'm going to go there. And I'm going to tell you, I'm going to give you a word of caution. A lot of people think that going to their bank because they have an account there, because they have a relationship, is going to get them the best rate, the best terms, the best turn time, the best service. And the reality is that that's not always the case. In many cases, retail banks like the national brand name banks don't have the best rates and the best programs. They do offer a lot of services, credit cards, car loans, etc. And you figure, hey, they're gigantic, so they must have great rates. Not necessarily. That's not where you're going to find the lowest rates. So many cases, you are going to be referred to a lender from your real estate agent. You have to find out, why is that real estate agent referring you there? Is it because they have a financial relationship? Is it because maybe they are friends? Or is it maybe because this is the best possible lender he can find? The answer is we don't know. You have to find out. You have to ask that real estate agent, why are you referring me to this person? What are this person's qualifications? What we find is that a lot of times, the company that the realtor works for has a relationship with those lenders. There's a money exchange which, is going to taint the situation, right? Maybe they have a joint venture or something to that effect that is going to make it a little bit difficult to determine whether this is your best choice. So the real estate agent, the mortgage company have a relationship, and as a result of it, you get referred there. What we recommend is that you talk to an independent mortgage broker for many reasons. Why? First, we are independent. Independent means we don't work for a bank. We don't work for a real estate company. We work for you. We work for the borrower, right? We are independent. We can take your loan to wherever it is that we can find the best possible deal. For example, I am approved with tons of banks, some of the largest wholesale banks in the nation, and therefore we are able to pass on big savings to you. Now, once you determine who's going to help you, then that person is going to give you an online application. Fill it out, provide all the paperwork they give you, and here's the secret. I want you to set up a time to speak to that lender in person. A lot of lenders nowadays are going to take your application electronically, and they're going to avoid speaking with you, and that's not a good sign. The moment you provide the last piece of paper where you say, hey, I want to set up a time to speak with you once you have me approved so I can go over the details of that pre-approval. What kind of interest rate am I going to get? Explain to me what kind of program I qualify for, and so on. So all of this information is extremely relevant. I want to encourage you to take time, review what I just said. If you have to replay this video and make notes, do that. I want you to have the best possible experience, and it all starts with a local mortgage broker. If you want to find out who can help you, go to www.findamortgagebroker.com and you'll find one in your area. Just put your zip code and look at the ratings. That's your best choice. Have a great day.